In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Temu app verification problem step by step. We all know how frustrating it can be when we encounter an issue with app sign-ins, especially when you're excited to use a new app like Temu. So, let's walk through the process to solve this problem together. First, let's start with opening the Temu app on your device. Looking at the app icon might spark some excitement, but remember, patience is key. Once you have the app open, the next step is to click on the option that says, use email verification code to sign in. This will prompt the system to send you a verification code, which is necessary for continuing further. You'll be required to enter the verification code you received. It's important that you input this code accurately to ensure a smooth sign-in process. Now, after you've entered the code, take a moment to check your email or phone. This step is crucial, as you'll need to locate the verification code that was sent to you. If you're expecting an email, don't forget to check both your inbox and spam or junk folders. Sometimes important emails end up there, and we don't want to miss out on those. If you haven't received the email within 1 to 2 minutes, don't worry. There is an option to click resend, which will prompt the system to send the code again. This is quite handy and can save you time if the initial attempt doesn't go through. In case you're still having trouble with email verification, try using your phone number instead and vice versa. Switching between the two can sometimes solve unexplained glitches that occur on one platform. If neither option is working as expected, there's no need to panic yet. You might want to clear your cache and cookies. This can be done easily within your device settings, and it often solves minor app issues. After clearing your cache, refresh the Temu app and try to sign in again. This small step can sometimes make a big difference. And finally, if you've gone through these steps and the issue persists, it's time to contact Temu support. They have a team dedicated to resolving such issues and will guide you through the next steps to ensure you can enjoy the potentially amazing content and features that Temu promises. This marks the end of our tutorial on fixing the Temu app verification problem. I hope this guide helped you overcome any obstacles and restored your access to the app smoothly. Don't hesitate to seek support if needed, and thank you for watching. Keep exploring and enjoy all that Temu has to offer.